everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another orangey makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get this video started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a concealer as an eyeshadow primer. You can use foundation, eye primer, whatever you guys have, you can definitely use that. I'm gonna use this orange shade from Makeup Geek, and I'm gonna use my eyelash curler to help me create that cut crease. So yeah, then I'm gonna go with this lighter orange shade and blend that out just a little bit, just so that it kind of gives it a little bit of definition. So I'm gonna blend out with this Morphe brush. I thought I was filming, but I guess not. So I did do a liner with that orangey shade. Then I went with the shimmery shade and apply this wherever I don't have that orange shade on the lid. And I'm just using my finger because I felt like it blended in a little bit better. Then I'm going with the same orange shade and apply it to the outer corner of the bottom lash line. And then I use the same shimmery shade to the bottom lash line midway. And then I went with this orangey shade and apply this right into the tear duct area, just because I wanted to have a little bit of brightness and a little bit of shimmer. So I went with that shade. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some lashes. This look was really easy and fast to do. I was really surprised. I thought it was going to take longer, but honestly, it did not. So I went ahead and applied some mascara and then some falsies. I'll list them down below for you guys. These are from Amazon. So yeah, I'll list them down below. Then I'm going with this Urban Decay liquid lip. For the life of me, I cannot find it where I put it. So, but I will try to find the color and put it down below for you guys. But I cannot find where I left that liquid lip. Anyways, then I apply some setting spray. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love you all, and I'll talk to you guys soon.